That's it. This should be the last time I do this. I've tried everything the cheap, easy way. I used the grinder and scuffed it all up. They're still dingy. Watch the video on YouTube. Watching it again.
Cologuard is non-invasive and finds 92% of colon cancers.
I'll watch it again and do it the correct way. Off comes the oxidation. 2 shots with sandpaper, different grits, and then a ceramic sealer. If this doesn't work, I'm going to scream. Oh, this one's been drying for about 15 minutes. I'm going to put the restoration thing on it. That one I just finished. I got to sand it to get back to it. Interesting. We'll see. Well, I'm following the rules. 3 minutes with 2,000 grits wet sandpaper. I don't know. I've been fighting with these headlights for 10 years. Finally got it right. It took maybe a half hour, 15 minutes each.